So you see, what made us do it is not drugs, alcohol, or excess of social responsibility. No, performance made us do it. Just like Carlo Abarth, removing stuff from the exhaust to cut weight, we use electrification to get the best driving performance. So now the Scorpion is back with an electric sting for the city, for the bends, for the torque, for the immediate response, for the fun. Because fun is where electric performs better than petrol. In a nutshell, this Abarth gets you into corners, through corners, and out of corners faster. And you will go faster because the weight distribution is better than any Abarth 500 so far. Then, the extra track width and wheelbase give you more stability as you accelerate. And acceleration is where I'm going next. Here, on most of the tests, electric matches petrol, and where it doesn't match petrol, it wins. Like the test you see here, up to a second faster when you put your foot down coming out of a junction. Now, imagine a mountain bend, it does that faster too. In a 40 to 60 shootout, electric actually beats petrol by 15 meters. Other use case, you overtake on the open road, faster. Let me put it this way, when the BEV hits 100 kilometers per hour, the petrol version is left behind at 91. Obviously, a sound generator on a sporty electric is obviously not something totally new. Porsche has it, Jaguar has it, Audi e-tron, BMW i4, and even the 2,000 horsepower Lotus hypercar. So some other have it, but let me tell you, for a small car, it's pretty unique. Actually, outside the luxury segments or the supercar segments, this is the only car with a sound generator.